Hello everyone, this is Vineet Bansal from eDominer Technologies, and today in this video I'm going to share about how Expand ERP is the best fit ERP on cloud and it can help your business to grow with ease. In this context, I will like to share a quote by Peter Drucker. Quality in a service or product is not what you put into it, it is what the customers get out of it. ERP software landscape is very competitive and hugely scattered with multiple players. Expand ERP has established itself as India's best fit cloud ERP, especially for manufacturers and those manufacturers who are into export and retail segment, with specific workflow and integration out of the box. We believe that ERP can give best result only if it is seamlessly fit into your business processes. Mid-sized businesses don't have a clear idea on which ERP to select that will give them best results. They end up selecting wrong one and are unsatisfied with the results. Only a time-tested ERP focused in your business type can give you the best result. Expand ERP is made in India for Indian mid-sized companies. We understand the nuances of doing business in India. We also understand the work environment of the businesses. With over 15 years of research and market testing, we have developed this software that is made to match the business processes of the Indian manufacturing companies. In order to be best fit, we have focused only on export and retail domains. It also takes care of all the unique features of the export and retail businesses and provides the most complex customization ready out of the box. The specific fitment through customization and integration are made of the unique business processes. All measures are taken to fit simply into the existing business process. With Expand, quick implementation is possible with no business process alteration, with no extra capex. Minimal training time is required due to user-friendly interface and users can pick up in no time. We offer Expand ERP on cloud platform, allowing access to real-time data anywhere, anytime. It also saves capital costs, and with a secure data center, ERP subscription costs are also minimal. Our attractive pricing model gives absolute freedom to the fast-growing manufacturings in export and retail to take the decision of digital transition of their organization with ease. Subscription-based concepts with concurrent user model makes it even more economical and attractive. We have our best-in-class, hassle-free support ready for you 24/7. In the in-house customer service team, our BizTech experts follow train-the-trainer model so customers can build in-house expertise in ERP. Enjoy 100% data security and grow your business with complete peace of mind. Data is on cloud, stored in multiple locations, ensuring maximum safety with trusted technology platforms like Microsoft Azure, SQL Server, etc. We provide 99% uptime and secure socket layer data transmission. Expand ERP on cloud can drive maximum growth and give ROI in your business. Your timely decision can take your business to newer heights. For more information, you may visit www.expanderp.com. Thank you for watching this video.